Hello students. Now let us go through the second type of elimination method, that is elimination by substitution. So far we have learned elimination by equating the coefficients, where we used to equate the coefficients of the variables and then eliminate it. Now the next method is elimination by substitution. Now what exactly it is? Let's try and understand that. Let's go through a sum. The sum is solve the following simultaneous equations: x plus 7y is equal to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. The two equations, the first equation is x plus 7y is equal to 10. Let this be equation number 1. The second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Let this be equation number 2. Now in this method, if you want, you can keep the equations in this form, that is variables on one side and constants on the other side. Otherwise, in this method, it is not compulsory. Why? You will actually understand now. Let's do it. After you number the two equations as equation number 1 and equation number 2, you need to carefully observe both these equations and check which is a simpler equation. Now, what do we exactly mean by simpler equation? The equation which has got the smallest coefficient, right? Now, for example, here, if you actually see both these equations, it is very clear the first equation is the simpler one because it has got a x which has got the smallest coefficient, right? So let's consider equation number 1, which is a simpler equation, as you all can see, because it has got the smallest coefficient, right, of all the 4 terms which are there. So let us consider equation number 1, which is x plus 7y is equal to 10. Now we need to write this equation in the form of either x is equal to something or y is equal to something. In the sense, we need to shift one of the two variables to the other side. Now which variable is to be shifted? The one which has got a larger coefficient, right? So x plus 7y is equal to 10, which has got a larger coefficient, 7y, right? Now, because 7y is a larger coefficient variable, let us shift it to the other side. So, when we shift 7y to the other side, we get x is equal to 10 minus 7y. Now, you all can see this is of the form x is equal to something. Now, once you get the equation in the form of x is equal to something, let this be equation number 3. So, what we have done so far, we considered a simpler equation, that is equation number 1. Then we wrote it in the form of x is equal to something by shifting the larger coefficient, that is 7y, to the other side, right? Now the name of the method is elimination by substitution. So in this, to eliminate a variable, we need to substitute its value. Now here you all can see, if you actually observe equation number 3, we have got the value of x in terms of y. X is equal to 10 minus 7y. So we need to substitute this value of x, that is equation number 3, in the equation which was not considered. I repeat, we need to substitute the value of x, that is x is equal to 10 minus 7y, that is equation number 3, in the equation which was not considered, that is equation number 2. So the next step is substituting equation number 3 in equation number 2. So this is equation number 2. Here in place of x, you need to substitute 10 minus 7y. So let's do that. So what do we get? We get 3 in place of x. Let us substitute 10 minus 7y. So what we get? 3 into 10 minus 7y minus 2y is equal to 7. Now you all see, the moment we substituted the value of x, x got eliminated and we got the equation only in terms of y. That's why the name of the method, elimination by substitution. Now you can easily solve it because we have the equation only in terms of y. You can easily solve and get the value of y. So let's do it. To solve this, we need to open the brackets. So let us open the brackets. What we get is 30 minus 21y minus 2y is equal to 7. Minus 21y minus 2y is minus 23y. So you get 30 minus 23y is equal to 7. Now variables on one side, constants on the other side, you get minus 23y is equal to 7 minus 30. You get minus 23y is equal to 7 minus 30 is minus 23, and you get y as minus 23 upon minus 23, where minus minus becomes plus, right? And you get y is equal to 23 upon 23, 23 ones are 23, and you get y is equal to 1. Once you get the value of y, you need to substitute this value of y, that is y is equal to 1, either in the first equation or second or third. The choice is absolutely yours, but in this method it's preferable to substitute in the third equation, because in third equation when you substitute the value of y, you directly get the value of x, right? So let's substitute y is equal to 1 in equation number 3. You can substitute in any, but the third equation is a better option, right? You get x is equal to 10 minus 7 into 1, that is x is equal to 10 minus 7, that is x is equal to 3. So you get the value of x as 3, you get y as 1. Write the final answer. The solution is 3, 1. As simple as that.